This is probably going to be the most important video that you watch this year, because I think that we are witnessing something that's about to be bigger than ChatGPT was. There is a new wave with something called AI agents that's created by OpenClaw. Now, before you go click off this video talking about Monique, what in the cybersecurity hacker coding world are you talking about? Let me explain this in normal people language. So OpenClaw is a platform that allows you to create an AI assistant or agent, and these are like digital employees that will work 24/7 in the background for you. And when I say work, I don't mean sitting there with you having to enter the prompt, watching them do it, and then come back and continue to prompt. No. Every single day you can have it create you an entire business. It can create you an app, a digital product. It can do research for you, report to you every morning with its findings. And it does all of this on its own. And that is the shift that is happening right now. AI is moving from let me answer that question for you to watch out and let me do the work for you. And if you think I'm exaggerating, check out this article right here that Forbes just dropped. And it says that Robinhood is about to start allowing AI agents to actually trade stocks for users. So when I tell you these agents are doing everything, I mean just that. And the people who get in on this early and learn the system, oh, that's the people that's about to make some money. So today I am about to show you how you can set this up in a beginner-friendly way that yes, even you can do. Now let's go ahead and start from the beginning with actually accessing OpenClaw. And there are many different ways that you can do this, including a direct download. However, I'm about to save you a headache, and I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description that's going to take you right over to Hostinger. And why are we doing that, Monique? I am glad you asked, because they have something called Manage OpenClaw and one-click installations. And what that does is going to save you from having a complicated setup, because I'm telling you, some of these tutorials you're going to find online, baby, they have people opening up terminals, typing mysterious green letters across screens. You're going to find coding stuff that look like you hacking into NASA. And we are not doing that today. Now on here, one of the things you want to make sure is selected is ready to use AI. And to understand what that means, let me paint a little bit of a picture for you. OpenClaw is like the assistant, it's the body. But the body needs a brain to be able to function, to think, to create, to analyze. And that brain has to be powered by one of the AI models like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any of the other ones. So without the ready to use AI, then you will have to create separate accounts for all of these, look for something called an API key, manually connect everything. But this allows you to skip all of that, and it will give you access to all of the models. Something else I recommend you turn on is instant web search, because this is going to allow your assistant to be able to search the internet in real time, and that's definitely something you want, especially if you're asking for advice about what's going on currently in the world and how to make money right now. And before you finish setting everything up, make sure you use my code Journey10, and that's going to get you an additional 10% off. So welcome, you have made your way inside, and now we are getting ready to set up our first agent, aka your first employee. So the first thing it will ask you to do is choose an AI provider. We're going to go with Nexus, because that's their ready to use AI I was telling you about. And as you can see, it will give you access to all of those models. And it's going to break down how some of them are better at complex tests. There's some that are cheaper to keeper. So it's going to depend on what you need. And all of this goes by credits. But after that, it's going to ask you to connect OpenClaw to a messaging app. And what this does is it allows you to be able to talk directly to your assistant right from your phone. And so as you can see, you can choose from using Telegram or WhatsApp. I personally use Telegram for this. If you don't have an account, you can make one for free. And to connect it to OpenClaw, they will show you all of the instructions here. But y'all always say, Monique, I need you to break it down for me. So today, give me a hand. I'm gonna take you by the hand and I will walk you through this. So we are going to go ahead and search for something called Botfather, and we want to make sure that it has that blue check mark, because we don't want to go to any scammers. Then we're going to hit start chat, and from there we're going to create a new bot. And yes, this sounds a little technical at first, but stay with me because we are about to get to the good stuff. So it's going to ask you to choose a name for your bot, and I'm going to name mine Claudia. Why? Because OpenClaw and Claude just had a baby. And in the instructions, you'll see that it says to add bot to the end of your username. And sometimes some of the names may be taken, so just get creative and go from there. So after that, it's going to give you something called a token. Now, this token is secret. Do not give it away. It is like your social security number, okay? Anybody will be able to access your bot if they have this. But we are going to paste that token into OpenClaw. And the last thing we will need to do is just pair it. So to pair it inside of Telegram, we are going to search for our bot username that we just came up with. We're going to type /start, send it as a message, and then it's going to give us a pairing code. We'll just make sure this code matches the one inside of OpenClaw, and then all we have to do is approve it. And welcome to the future. You made it. So all of the boring stuff is finally out of the way, and now we can play. So inside of the chat, this is where we're able to talk to our agent. The first thing most people will do is type in hello, and usually that triggers it to start asking you some questions. But today, because apparently my assistant wanted to embarrass me while I'm recording, it just said, how can I help you? But although we came up with a name inside of Telegram, it does not know its name yet, because when you first create OpenClaw, it's basically blank. No memory, no personality. You actually have to teach it who it is and tell it who you are. So I told it your name is Claudia, and yes, I did get a little dramatic with OpenClaw, leave me alone. But I ended up telling my name, and I let it know I am far beyond just a name. And then they responded, I'll learn who you are over time through what you share, what you care about, what you feel, what frustrates you, what makes you laugh. That's the most interesting way to get to know someone anyway. Excuse me, because why does this feel like a real orientation? In fact, it kind of feel like I'm on a date. And just like with a real job, when you go to orientation, they tell you what they expect from you, what they want from you. You need to know your duties, so it needs the same thing. So I just told Claudia a little bit of my background, and let me tell you, the response that Claudia gave me kind of gagged me a little bit, because this thing said, you're building something bigger than content. You're building a movement around helping people think better, earn better, and live with real purpose. And I said, yes, that's what I'm talking about. At this point, Claudia already about to get promoted and a raise. Then it says you want an assistant who can actually match their energy. Going forward, expect me to be direct, real, occasionally funny, and always useful. And that's just what I want you to do. So the reason I'm really showing you this part though is because I want you to understand what you put into this is what you're going to get out of it. But having conversations with AI is something that you can pretty much do with any of them, from Claude to ChatGPT. But there is something inside of OpenClaw that you cannot do with any of the other ones, and you will find that right over here on the left side, and it is called cron jobs. Now don't let that fancy name scare you. All cron jobs is scheduled tasks. It's going to be a duty, a responsibility that you give the agent to carry out. So I am going to show you how to set up one of these jobs, and one of the most common things that people usually set up is something called a morning brief. And most of the time they use that for stuff like weather updates, headlines, little reminders. And are we going to do that? I know you answered absolutely not. We are not thinking small. We want it out here scanning for opportunities, ways for us to make money. So inside of the chat, what I am going to tell Claudia is every morning at 7:00 a.m., send me a money and opportunity brief to Telegram. Scan for important financial news, business opportunities, AI trends, investing conversations, growing industries, online income opportunities. And so once we hit enter on that, it's going to set everything up for us. And every single morning at 7:00, we can come over to our phone, and inside of Telegram, we will find messages from this agent that gives us all of that information that we just requested. I mean, come on. This is crazy because you no longer have to wake up every morning and go search 20 different websites, social media for an hour, on YouTube watching videos, looking at all of the news, although you should still always do your own research too. I mean, I don't care what's out here working, always just, Now, another one I set up is a content brief for where it tells me the things going on in AI, because I talk about that a lot, the trends that it's finding out there amongst creators. And it gives me the top 3 things that I need to know every single day. This is an opportunity. And then it sends that again to my Telegram. I am checking it out right now on my phone. And another task that I set up for it is I told it to, from the content that we pull each week, if you see any kind of opportunity for me, whether it's a digital product I need to be launching, whether it's some kind of video that I need to be creating, I need you to send me that alert separately and tell me why I need to hop on it now. And guess what it does? Just that. But all of this information it sends me, yes, this is amazing because it has increased the amount of content that I can create. However, what if your assistant can actually build you things too? Well, guess what? It can. So I created another crying job, and honestly, this one blew my mind a little bit. I told it every morning, I want you to create one digital product, a business idea, automation idea, an app or online income opportunity based on my audience, my interests, and current trends. And I don't want you to ask me what to create. You decide and make sure you don't spend a lot of money doing this. Because again, all of this use credits and you will have to top up your credits. And so every morning you can expect some kind of PDF, something that it works on that you can actually launch that day if you decide that it's really good. You can tweak it and go from there. I don't think you really realizing what's going on right now. I am trying my hardest to break this down for you and reel you into this so that you can jump on it before it is too late. Now, something else inside of OpenClaw that I want to show you, other than the crying jobs that you can schedule, is what is called skills. And the easiest way to think about skills is just like real life. If somebody works in construction, they need real skills. If somebody works in marketing, they need skills. If you're out there as an editor, a developer, you need skills. And I know lately there are some people that are going and walking in jobs and working there and not having the skills to do it. But we are not those people, and neither are your agents. Skills will basically give your AI assistant new abilities to be able to do things. So maybe you want it connected to your email, you can connect it there, and then it can scan on your emails for you daily, pull the important ones, and it can even write responses. You want access to every skill that's out there, then you will want to go somewhere called Claw Hub. This is where you will find all of the skills that you can add. Now, one thing I do want to say is just be careful when it comes to downloading some of these skills, because anyone is able to create a skill and upload it here. And just like with any kind of app and extension online, we just have to use common sense and be careful. But this is also an opportunity for you because, like I said, anyone can create a skill. So when you start working with your agent and you find that it starts to do something really well, you can tell it to turn that into a skill, and you can start selling those skills on Claw Hub. And skills can also be as simple as creating a prompt-based workflow that you can upload. Now, I know that may start to sound a little technical, y'all, but I'm just trying to tell you some of the other money opportunities that are out there because we don't want to miss any of them. So if you would like a more detailed video on how to do something like that, make sure you comment down below and Monique will try to bring that to you. And another major opportunity outside of the others that I have already shown that people can make money right now with OpenClaw is by offering OpenClaw setup and automation services to maybe local businesses or people that are interested in it but just may not understand or have any idea where to start. Guess who does now? You do. You could literally help someone just install OpenClaw, connect it to Telegram, set up a few automations for their business, and you can charge $150 to $200 for a setup, or even more the more advanced it is. So I just wanted this to be your little introduction. This is OpenClaw 101 with none other than Monique. I'm trying to give you a little taste just so that you can understand where the world is going with AI agents and why you need to get on this right away. Because I'm telling you, this is way bigger than a lot of people realize right now. So as always, the only thing that is left for you to do is go be great.